Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And even though the three major indexes finished Friday trading in the green, they weren't unable to shake the weekly losses. And in fact, all three of them gave us brand new red weekly trade triangles indicating a move to a possible sidelines position overall for the stock market. So as we usually do on a Friday, we'll start with the S&P 500. As you can see, closed trading at 4,441.67. issuing a new red weekly trade triangle at 4,372.51, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 60. So we're in a true sidelines position as we stand. We'll change this to a daily chart, and I'll show you that we had that red weekly trade triangle yesterday right there at the lows at 4,372.51. So your key level moving forward would be 4,480.26. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position for the S&P 500. Changes back to a weekly chart. We'll take a look at the dollar index, currently trading at 93.45, up a little over 1% on the week, with the chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall we are in a strong uptrend for the US dollar. Key level to watch would be 91.81. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the dollar. Dow Jones, much like the S&P 500, will change this to a daily chart, issued a new red weekly trade triangle at 34,714.33, pushing that chart analysis score to negative 60 with a red weekly and a green monthly trade triangle indicating that we are now in a sidelines position for the Dow. Change back to a weekly chart. We did close trading at 35,120.08, down 1.1% on the week. And your key level to watch would be 35,631.19. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Dow. Not to be outdone, the NASDAQ itself closing at 14,714.66 on the week, down about 0.7%, pushing its chart analysis score to plus 55 with a new red weekly trade triangle on the daily chart here, triggered at 14,503.76, pushing that to a sidelines position. Key level to watch would be 14,896.48. A green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Change this back to a weekly chart. We'll take a look at crude oil. Absolutely getting pummeled this week, down 8.7%, trading at 61.90 with a chart analysis score negative 70, indicating that overall we're in a long-term downtrend, or a downtrend for the short-term time frame right now. However, we still do have that green monthly trade triangle in play. Reason for the drop would be the Delta variant and cause for concerns on travel restrictions moving forward. So we'll have to see how that plays out as we head into the fall. Key level to watch would be 64.55. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for short-term traders. Take a look at gold. Kind of holding steady after dropping pretty severely the last 2 weeks at 1,782.70, eking out a small gain. However, chart analysis score remains negative 90, indicating that overall we're in a long-term downtrend for gold. Key level to watch would be 1,791. Move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for gold. And we'll wrap it up with Bitcoin. I had mentioned last week that I'd give you a monthly number. We're not quite to the levels where I can really tell you exactly where it's going to be yet. We need to get closer to the end of the month. However, we did finish the week up 3.1% at 48,738.62 with a chart analysis score plus 70. So overall, we're still in a sidelines position as it's gaining traction, but it can be very volatile. Key level to watch will remain 37,300. A move below that level would give us a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and we'll be back next week with a market update.